Here's how to turn off Gemini on your Samsung phone. Now, I have a Samsung Galaxy. I'll walk you through the exact steps to disable or turn off Gemini, both within the Gemini app, but also other places that it lives on your phone. So the first thing we're going to do is take your finger and swipe up, tap on search at the bottom, and we're going to search for the Gemini app. There it is. You can see Gemini. Press and hold on the Gemini app, and then tap on the little eye at the top right. From here, it'll take you to your Gemini settings. At the bottom, you might see the ability to uninstall this. If you do, just tap on uninstall. However, if you don't see that, just tap on force stop if that's an option, and then disable the app. However, even though I've done that, I can still press and hold on the power button, and you can see just like that, Gemini still pops up. So I need to disable it there as well as other places. So next, just take your finger and swipe up and then tap on the settings app of your Android phone. From here, scroll down and tap on advanced features and then tap on side button. If you don't see side button here, you can always just search within the settings for the side button. Let's tap on long press, and instead of digital assistants, aka Google Gemini, let's switch this to the power off menu, or you can choose Bixby if you feel like it. Next, let's tap the back arrow, and back arrow again, and back arrow again. There are other places that Gemini lives within your settings, so just tap on search and search for Gemini, and hit search, and scroll down, and then tap on Gemini settings. From here, you can see your public links, Gemini's voice, interrupt you, various things like talk to Gemini hands-free. If any of these are turned on, like Hey Google is turned on or while driving, just toggle those off. You also probably want to tap on screen context and make sure that analyze on-screen text is turned off so that Gemini can't analyze your on-screen text or your images or flash screen, etc. After you've done that, tap the back arrow and you can see Gemini on lock screen. Again, go here and make sure everything is toggled off. Next, let's tap the back arrow. And at the bottom, tap on Digital Assistants from Google. Switch from Gemini over to Google Assistant. The reason we do this, one, is just to disable Gemini, but also because we can turn off Google Assistant completely. So switch to Google Assistant, but after you've done that, hop out of here and open up the Google app. We need to do the next step within the Google app. Then tap on your profile at the top right. Scroll down from here and tap on Settings midway down. Next, tap on Google Assistant here, and then scroll down and tap on General midway down. And there you can see Google Assistant is still on. Just toggle it off and hit turn off. And now you've completely disabled Gemini within the app as well as everywhere else on your Samsung phone. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.